Affiliate marketing can be highly profitable with the right approach. Earning $1,000 per day is achievable with focus and strategic planning. Choose high-ticket affiliate programs, offering commissions from $100 to $500 or more for better returns. Look for recurring commissions too. Select a profitable niche with high demand and valuable products. Research competitors for effective targeting. Content is foundational in affiliate marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and social media content that educates and persuades. Use SEO to generate traffic by ranking for relevant keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords for better conversion rates. Paid ads boost your income quickly. Use platforms like Google Ads to target specific demographics while monitoring ROI. Building an email list drives sales. Offer lead magnets to collect emails and nurture relationships over time. Diversify your affiliate offers to reduce risk. Promote various products for multiple revenue streams. Use affiliate funnels to guide customers towards a sale. Automate marketing for increased efficiency. Test and optimize your strategies continuously. Use analytics to track performance and improve content. As you grow, consider outsourcing tasks. This allows you to focus on strategy while your team manages operations. With the right strategies, making $1,000 per day is possible. Persistence and smart execution will lead to success.